Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to find your product key from installed Windows 11 or 10 PC using Show Key Plus Freeware tool. For this, you need to navigate to this one GitHub website. You can find required links in this video description. After this page, click on this one link, first one link, zip file link to download it on your PC. After downloading, you will see a zip file on your PC like this. Here, after opening this one zip file, you will find two files. One is for 64-bit and another one is for 32-bit. That will be written as Soki plus x86. In case you are using Windows 64-bit PC, then run the 64-bit file, and if you are using 32-bit PC, then use this one file. Just double click on the file to open it. You will find another folder, double click on it also. Then you will find an executable file. This one, double click on Showcase Plus application file. Click on run in case it prompts. Then without any prompt, it will display installed product key. In case you have purchased your PC or laptop that has already Windows installed, in that case you will find OEM key. In case you have some key and you want to check it is genuine or not, just click on this one link, check product key, enter your product key to find the details. In case you have corrupt Windows but you have taken backup and want to recover the product key from this one backup, you can use this one option, retrieve key from backup, and then locate the backup file to retrieve the product key or OEM key from your Windows PC. Like this, you can retrieve your product key or check product key using this one freeware tool, Showkey Plus. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you have already subscribed it and you love this video, press thumbs up.